I'm going to show you how you can be able to create a data entry form in Microsoft Excel. So usually we enter our entries manually, that is date, then you come and enter the name, course, and then the department. But today we are going now to I'm going to show you how you can be able to enter data entries into Excel using data entry forms. So on the top of your Excel workbook, there's a toolbar. So we are going to click on this arrow and click on more commands, so that you can add a form command for us to be able to use. Choose command from, we have popular commands, but now I need us to use the commands not in the ribbon. Select commands not in the ribbon, then we are going to search for form. So you scroll down until you find the form command, you select it, then click on add, so that it can be moved on the commands to be displayed on your ribbon. So we have the save command, undo, the redo, and now we have added form command. So you click OK. As you can see, now we have the form command here on our ribbon. So after inserting the form command, the next thing we're going to the data entry on our Excel workbook, we're going to insert it into a form, into a table. Sorry, we're going to put it into a table. So for you to put a table in this document, going to go to insert, and then you click on table. It will highlight your the content automatically and if it has highlighted for you wrongly, you can always edit right here. But if it's okay, then you can just click OK. But there's a shortcut you can use, so you can simply Control plus T. Control plus T, it will always highlight, but make sure that when you are using Control plus T, you selected in either one of the cells in your entries. So after that, you make sure that you've checked the My Tables as headers, then you click OK. The table will be inserted automatically. Now we have a table. So the next thing we are going now to use the form feature for us to be able to insert other entries, to continue in inserting entries on our table. So you click anywhere in your data, then you click on the form feature right there. You'll be able to see a pop-up message here, which is right here. So in this pop-up message, you're going to use it. It has several features. It has new, it has delete, it has restore, which is inactive for now. Then you have find previous, then find next, criteria, then close. So we are going to use almost all of the features so that you can be able to learn. So the first feature we're going to use, like for example, right now it has selected admission number 1001, which is the first entry here on our in our entries. 101, who is John Doe, then ICT, course ICT, Department of ICT. So that is our first entry here. Then if you want to move next, you can always use the find next feature to move to the next person, who is admission 1002. So that's how you can be able to navigate from the previous. If you want to go back to the previous, just click on find previous. So that's how you work with the find previous and the find next feature on your form. So the next thing we are going to learn is how you can be able to work with delete. So delete here, let's close first. If you check, we have 101 and 102. So the next thing, I'm going to show you how you use the delete feature on your form. So you click anywhere on your work, then you click form feature, then we can navigate all through and see what we can be able to delete. Like for example, this one 1008, it has some errors with the student name, then the course and the department. So what we are going to do is you just click on delete, then you are being told displayed record will be permanently deleted. Then you just click OK, then you close here. As you can see now, we don't have 1008. So then what if you want to add or you want to continue adding your entries? So you click still anywhere on your work, then click on the form feature. Here you're going to use the new feature here. So you click on new, then you're going to insert 1008, then enter. You enter the date. You can control and the semicolon to enter today's date, or you can enter manually. Let's say 16th May 2022. Then the student name, you can say Nathan. Last one, remember to start with the capital Nathan. Nathan Larson. Then we are going to insert the course. The course, you can say customer service. Still customer service to be the department. Customer service to be the department. After you finish entering your entries, you just hit the enter button on your keyboard. When you click enter, then you close here, you'll be able to see that Nathan Larson has been added on our entries. So let's say you have huge amount of entries, like more than 200 entries you want to enter. When you enter manually, it will be a bit tiresome. And if you work with a huge amount of data in Excel, you will find that this method might be easier for you than the normal one that you normally use. So then if you want to search for a record, we use criteria. Here you can search by admission number. Let's say 1006. We need admission number 1006, or the department, let's say customer service. Then you hit here, you click on the enter button on your keyboard. You'll be able to be selected with Jamie Kinslow. If you check here, you'll find that Jamie Kinslow is that's true, because 1006 is the Jamie Kinslow customer service course, and the department is still customer service. So that's how you use criteria. And then we have also seen how we can use delete, find previous, and find next. Then we also know how to use close. And then here you can see that you can be able to navigate through your work into different students. You can just use this arrow. So here you can insert even if there are 20 entries, you'll be able to navigate through them. So the next thing we are going to learn is now how we can be able to use restore feature. So restore, for example, we have admission 1001, of department ICT. Then you can delete this ICT here and write finance. When you write finance, the restore feature will be automatically activated. So if you don't want, you've seen that we made a mistake, you just click on the restore feature. So with this form, it is easier to delete or undo your mistakes easily than when you compare with the manual one that we normally use. So this is how you can be able to use or to create a data entry form in Excel and enter your data entries as fast as possible and as easy as you can.